You know, fire safety isn't something we often think about until it's too late. But let's take a moment to really dive into this. Fires can happen in the blink of an eye, and understanding how to prevent them and spot potential causes is crucial for every homeowner. First off, let's talk about electrical issues. I mean, how many of us have that one extension cord that's been around since, well, forever? If you notice flickering lights or your circuit breaker tripping more than usual, that's a red flag. And those frayed wires? Yeah, definitely not a good sign. Overloaded circuits can turn your cozy living room into a potential fire hazard in no time. Now, moving on to the kitchen, our beloved cooking space. It's a hotspot for fires, often because we get distracted. I know I've left something simmering on the stove a few times, and it's a miracle nothing caught fire. Always keep an eye on your cooking, especially when grease is involved. And for the love of all that's good, keep those dish towels away from the stove. And let's not forget about heating devices. Space heaters can be lifesavers in winter, but if they're too close to flammable objects, they can also be fire starters. Keep a good 3 feet of clearance around them. Now, what can we do to protect our homes? Install smoke alarms on every level and test them monthly. Seriously, it takes 2 minutes. And have a fire extinguisher handy, especially in the kitchen. Lastly, create an escape plan with your family. Identify exits and a meeting place outside. It's not just about being prepared, it's about peace of mind. Remember, a little awareness can go a long way in keeping your home safe from fire. Stay vigilant, folks.